When tools stop slowing you down and start working with you, that's when things get interesting. And that's exactly what Wera is aiming for with its latest lineup. These tools are not just upgrades, they solve real problems like speed, portability, and control. So let's jump in and take a closer look at what makes each one stand out. Let's kick things off with the Wera Craftform Compact Pistol RA4, a tool that feels built for speed and comfort at the same time. This compact pistol grip screwdriver comes with a multi-component Craftform handle that sits naturally in your hand and boosts working speed without tiring you out. It features a fine-toothed ratchet with 44 teeth and a return angle of just 8 degrees, which means you get precise control even in tight spots. The switchover ring is simple to use, allowing you to switch between right, left, or fixed positions easily. And the lockable neutral position helps with exact adjustment work without changing direction every time. You also get up to 50 Newton-meters of torque, which is impressive for such a compact tool. The Rapidaptor quick-release chuck makes bit changes quick and smooth, while the strong magnet keeps bits locked in place. The free-turning sleeve helps guide screws at the start, reduces slipping, and can even act as a short extension. Inside the handle, there's a built-in bit magazine with 6 bit torsion bits, all marked with Wera's color-coded system for easy selection. Next up, the Wera Joker 6006 self-adjusting double open-end wrenches bring a smart twist to traditional spanners. These are self-setting double spanners that automatically adjust to fit a wide range of metric sizes from 7 to 19 millimeters and imperial sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. The parallel jaws grip hex bolts and screws continuously, so you don't have to search for the right size. The lever mechanism prevents slipping and protects the fastener from damage, which is a big plus when working with delicate components. On top of that, both jaws include a ratchet function, allowing fast and consistent screw driving without removing the wrench. The return angle sits at just 30 degrees thanks to the corner-width rectangular prisms, which makes it useful in tighter spaces. The smooth jaws reduce rounding by spreading pressure evenly, and everything comes packed in a durable folding pouch that fits into the Wera 2Go system. Moving on, the Wera Wheel Impactor C set is built for serious heavy-duty work, especially when dealing with wheel changes. These socket inserts are designed for electric and pneumatic impact wrenches with a 1/2 inch drive and can handle extremely high stress thanks to their robust impactor design. One standout feature is the free-running plastic sleeve that rotates to guide the socket better and protect the rim from scratches. Inside, a plastic insert protects the wheel bolt surface so you don't damage anything while applying high torque. The hexagonal profile ensures precise and safe force transfer while putting less stress on the edges compared to a 12-point design. Add to that the Take It Easy color coding system, which helps you quickly identify sizes, and you get a tool that saves time and reduces mistakes on the job. Now, let's talk about speed and control with the Wera Craftform Compact 20 RAR. This tool is all about efficiency, featuring a fine-toothed ratchet integrated directly into the handle with a tiny 6-degree return angle. That means faster screw driving, even in tight areas. When resistance is low, the ratchet allows quick spinning, which speeds things up noticeably. Direction switching feels natural, just turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. Inside the handle, there's a built-in magazine holding 6 25mm bit torsion bits, all marked with Wera's color-coded system for easy selection. The Rapidaptor chuck makes bit changes instant, and the telescopic blade gives you extra reach when needed. It's a compact tool that adapts to different situations without slowing you down.
If precision work is your thing, the Wera Craftform Micro Big Pack 2 delivers a complete solution. This 28-piece set comes in a compact roll-up case and includes 3 master screwdrivers that fit right into your pocket for quick access. The multi-component micro handles feel comfortable and allow fast, controlled work. Each tool features roll protection so it does not slip off surfaces, and the rotating cap lets you twirl the screwdriver easily for fine adjustments. The Wera black point tips ensure a perfect fit and offer strong corrosion protection, making these tools reliable for delicate and detailed tasks. For jobs that demand power, the Wera Craftform Compact 400 screwdriver set steps in with its T-handle design. This setup allows high torque for both tightening and loosening stubborn fasteners. The ergonomic two-component handle includes finger recesses and a textured surface that keeps your grip secure while reducing fatigue. Rapid After technology makes bit changes fast, while the magnetic bit holder helps guide screws into position with better accuracy. Designed for 1/4-inch external hex bits following DIN ISO standards, this 17-piece set combines strength, comfort, and efficiency in one package. Then comes the Wera Tool Rebel set, which takes comfort and usability to another level. The pistol grip design puts your hand in a natural position, reducing strain during long jobs. It includes a fine-toothed ratchet with an 8-degree return angle and an easy-to-use reversing ring. The Rapid After chuck allows quick bit changes, and the strong magnet keeps everything secure. Inside the handle, you will find a bit magazine with 6 standard bits, so you always have options ready. The set also includes a Craftform hand holder, 8 medium-length bits, and 6 standard bits, covering a wide range of tasks. Everything fits into a durable textile holster that you can attach to your belt, keeping your tools organized and within reach. The Wera 6007 Joker ring ratchet spanner blends strength and accessibility in a smart way. It combines an open-end jaw with a ratchet ring in a long design, which allows higher torque thanks to the extended lever. It works great in tight spaces, especially with low-lying connections. The integrated limit stop prevents slipping, while the holding function uses a metal plate to secure nuts and bolts. The return angle stays at just 30 degrees, and the ratchet mechanism is extremely robust. Like many Wera tools, it includes color coding and laser-engraved sizes for quick identification. For those who want everything in one compact kit, the Wera Tool Check Plus -1 is hard to beat. This 39-piece set includes a 1/4-inch bit ratchet, a Craftform screwdriver, bi-torsion bits, sockets, an adapter, and a Rapid After holder. It's designed for both manual and machine use, making it very versatile. The green locking system keeps everything secure, and the compact design makes it perfect for mobile work. You also get compatibility with 1/4-inch sockets using the included adapter, which adds even more flexibility. If precision and smooth operation matter, the Wera 8010B Cyclop Comfort Ratchet stands out with its 80-tooth mechanism and a tiny 4.5-degree return angle. The slim design allows access to tight spaces, while the soft grip and plastic sleeve protect both your hand and the surface you're working on. The push-button socket lock keeps sockets secure, and the reversing lever makes direction changes simple and quick. Cyclists will appreciate the Wera Bicycle Set 15, which packs a lot into a small space. It includes innovative 4-in-1 bits that handle multiple screw sizes, saving space and weight. The glass fiber reinforced tire levers safely remove tires without damaging rims, and they clip together so they don't get lost. One lever even doubles as a valve ejector and bleeder. The 1/4-inch hex mounting allows up to 10 Newton-meters torque, making it a practical and lightweight solution for on-the-go repairs.
The Wera Craftform Compact 27 Set 1 keeps things simple and efficient with a bit holder that includes a strong magnet and a built-in magazine. It stores 6 bi-torsion bits covering Phillips, Posi-Driv, Torx brand, and slotted types. The handle includes roll-off protection, and the color-coded system helps you quickly pick the right bit every time. Stepping things up, the Wera Craftform 400 RA Set 2 combines power and speed. The ergonomic handle supports high torque, while the integrated ratchet speeds up work with smooth operation. The reversing lever allows quick direction changes, and the high-speed rotary sleeve boosts efficiency. It also includes a secure 1/4-inch socket with ball locking and Wera's color-coded system for easy identification. The Wera Cyclop Pocket is a compact powerhouse. It features a 3/8" ratchet that doubles as a bit screwdriver thanks to its magnetic direct mounting. The pivoting head locks into 5 positions, and the 72-tooth mechanism gives a 5-degree return angle. It includes a swiveling bit magazine, a strong magnetic holder, and a durable holster that fits into the Wera 2Go system. For ultra-tight spaces, the Wera Cyclop Mini Ratchet proves that small tools can still be tough. Its slim design fits where larger tools cannot, yet it remains strong enough for demanding work. It supports direct bit mounting and can also handle sockets with an adapter, making it a flexible option when space is limited. The Wera 9524 photovoltaic mounting tool set is designed specifically for solar installations. It includes tools for MC4 connectors, an adjustable torque screwdriver ranging from 3 to 6 Newton-meters, a fast-rotating wrap adapter holder, and a Joker 6003 spanner optimized for tight spaces. It's a complete setup for efficient and accurate solar panel installation. Finally, the Wera 8009 Cyclop Pocket builds on the same concept as the earlier model, with a compact design, pivoting head, 72-tooth ratchet, and integrated bit storage. It also includes a magnetic holder and a holster compatible with the Wera 2Go system, making it a reliable companion for mobile tasks. That wraps up a solid lineup of Wera tools for 2026. Each one focuses on saving time, improving comfort, and making your work smoother. So, which one stands out to you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool breakdowns like this.